Salma Rifia. My name 1925240. My class is 192D26. Today I'm going to like presentation about computer fundamentals that are the why they are in my task to life. This is the introduction. Introduce combination what the important modern life because that have life people in my daily activity. Today combination are the school, commercial, hospitals, business, bar, and never at home. People ask computer for studying, working, communication, experiment, online shop, and accessing information from the internet. The in the education, computer can developed by modern technologies such as intelligent cloud computer and digital system because of the understanding computer fundamentals for learn for studying and working the digital and the component is make you for extent plus that for extent to do assessment. Uh, the what is this computer? Computer is technology device as to process data in four for information and computer life even process data stored in life and product output. One version is input data. This is input data for explanation the as input data processing information stored in life and display output. This is digital system computer is the input process and output the this is RAM. Why will the output is hardware? Hardware is the processing part of computer that is the touch. Hardware is never because they help the computer people and from first to build the hardware and computer system for first. Hardware together with software so from data and studio information that are the type of hardware in computer systems so as input device, processing device, and storage device. Especially this hardware, this is computer is the mouse, keyboard, mouse, monitor, then CPU, printer, and just an SSD. Keyboard is for typing in computer. The mouse is the control the sensor. The computer the monitor is display information. The laptop the monitor the CPU of the process data. This is CPU and data that the But the printer is first document. Hard disk is the storage to data, and hardware competition is really unhealthy offers the computer expectation. Hardware together the software to process data and produce information. Why do hardware and computer systems and some extends hardware are keyboard, mouse, and screen, printer, and SSD. The keyboard is often for type. The mouse is control. The mouse is mostly in information and CPU processing. That hardware competition and role helping us operation computer. And next, the output. The face with the face are hardware competition display project information from the computer to our user. After the computer processes data, the results are shown to output device to user and see her for its information. The example of device output are monitor, printer, speaker, and processor. This is a monitor display image for photo and text to the screen. The printer reads document and picture of the paper. The speaker is processing audio and music and audio. Projector displays presentation of video and letters again. Output devices are never information because they help users see her and assess understand information the computer. How little move is CPU and RAM. There's a CPU, Central Position Unit. It is called the right to computer that from processing introduce and control also computer operation never active on the computer so as output operating play studio that computer and using the internet process and CPU. And CPU of the central processor called the brain to computer because the process introduces and computer as computer operations that every asking someone to open up application, play video, typing document, and browsing internet from processing by the CPU. And next, the RAM. RAM is as random asking memory is driver memory as the storage data wide PlayStation are running RAM makes computer accessing data content so from can run something and farther that uh, random norm is memory is in the storage data wide application as have to get a computer access data counting program can run from as fast that CPU processing data controlling computer asking is what runs program and data in for computers speed and performance. Processing and computers what from CPU RAM is better to perform for multitasking and running processes storing data in for computers and computer write the CPU and data on there from processing and running apps and maze will the about storage device. Storage device are hardware combination to save files, programs, and operating system browsing, and device help us store information data so document, photo, video, music, and app storage. Storage device in cloud because they are all also save access data in time. The house programming device computer can feel get file after being tried. Star device hardware combination and file program and programming software. And my type programming device, storage device, and SSD, HDD, SSD, RAM drive, memory. This is the HDD hard drive device. Programming later found company universal speed. SSD is holding tag graph. It has pointer, clear, and move that HDD flash drive is portable device or sacrifice. The card is small storage device combined in smartphone and camera. Today, the combination as modern computer because the important but state and application. Next, the open test software and operating system. Software is program of introduction that help user perform take on the computer. Software on the computer run apps, Apple content, process data, and help us complete this is activation of proving and using the internet, editing photo and post video. That what the software as the file. That is the explanations of where are Windows, Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, and Adobe Photoshop. We are the operating system as to image computer features, and Microsoft Office is the usual to create documents, pretest dan presentation, and Google Chrome is web browser as to access the internet. Other processor is application user from photo editing dan graphic design. That operating system that important because the match computer in hardware and software recycling is also how user install computer the software is finally is working like the code my presentation. This is called computer is from device and hardware are never information is the technology today. Computer computer are school, office, business, hospital, and homes to help people complete the understanding computer help people work study and computer and reference information more effective. Knowledge about hardware, software, CPU, RAM, and storage device is informed because the computer work together to make computer operate people 1 years. In the digital computer, skill never as from extension, business, and features that therefore getting computer from them is important for everyone. Knowledge is about hardware, software, and and thank you for your presentation. Thank you so much.